Sa amin ang lugar.
Yeah, they're real, obviously. But they... Dad, we started here first. Oh, look at the baby. I like this one. Now, I wanna look at the fish.
How? Kinakain namin yan dati. Hinahabol ko yan. Alam mo ba, Hines, kumakain ako ng ganito dati.
Ganyan?
Iba-ibang scorpions. Grasshopper. Atay, doon. Nag-wink-wink pa sila, oh. Nag-wink-wink. Nag-wink-wink. Ano dito? Kaning nasa tabay nga. Sa kalapit. Tago. Dito. Scorpion. Pero hindi ko makita saan si scorpion. Another scorpion. Baying-baying. Asang baying-baying? Wala na. Wala. Naano nakita na ko daghan. Sedan. Baby turtle. Amphibians fish. Pangalan niya Hajar Rock Hagama. Rock Semaphore Gecko. Ay, saan siya? Hindi naman makita. Hiding. Source na. Yan, sandfish. Where's the sandfish? Ayun. Kita yung buntot. Ano kayang mukha niyan? Hajar Branding Ground Gecko. Oh, I cannot see. Where is it? There. Tiki. Dune Sand Gecko. Where is it? Mga markings ayan. Nagtago. Ang kaliit. Ormit Spiny-tailed Lizard. Yan. Tailed. Takot naman yung buntot. Para din siyang viper. Pagkain niya, vegetables. Scheme and friends toad a lizard. Where's the lizard? It's hiding. Only the footprints. Where are you? Are you hiding? It's not showing. Lepitin spiny-tailed lizard. Yan siya. Malaki siya. Snake venom. Where's the venom? Wala din. Hiding. Wala talaga siya. Hindi talaga nagpakita. Ayan lang pala. Oh my gosh. Ang laki. Hindi ko makita. Naku, dalawa. Laki nila. Mga birdie. Sana ba yung mga ibon? Oh, may tukmo. Saan sila? Ayun. Libre lang sila nakagala. Mountain habitat. Ibon na may aircon. Oh, may mga aircon sila. Yan, tukmo, kinakain namin yan. Yung itlog, pinag-aagawan namin yan. Naku, gagawa pa siya ng ano, pugad. Ito.
Kuwata makakita niya.
Je, marami dun sa ano, Dubai. Libre lang manood.
Pero nakita ko sa picture mo ata yun. Tayo ng Abu Dhabi ata yung Al Ain Zoo. Kayo ata yun siya.
Flamingo. That's my first time to see flamingo. It's a bunny. I want a flamingo. Come on, let's go back to the back.
Kumakain.
Ano yung itlog kaya yan?
Ito, mga malalaking tukmo. Baho eh.
I don't smell anything.
Eh, wala si King Julian.
Who's King Julian?
Don't know King Julian?
Watch. Bro. Lapa, come back. This is not a real desert flower.
Wow!
Ano yan? It's a cat! Why is there a cat? Oh my god, Ben! It's a cat!
Uing. Isa lang siya. Tago siguro sa bahay-bahay. Uy, para naman to si Libay.
Masaba yung fish niya eh.
Sabka habitat.
Pwede naman siguro. Mayroon nga nakakalusot sa TikTok.
Hindi wang walang TikTok, hindi malaman nga ni Heidi meron ganito sa. Yan, daming tukmo.
Okay, come on, let's see that.
Don't keep running. You're scaring the bird.
Night animal.
Night animals. Dilim. Pusa pa rin. Gordon Wildcat.
Ano to? White-tailed mongoose? Mongoose? Ano ibig sabihin ng mongoose? Hindi ba ito parang beaver? I don't know what is that.
Spotted. Anong basa nito? Genit, genit.
There's nothing here, bro.
Yan.
Oh, it's there.
Dessert.
See all the animals.
Paano naman to ang dilim? Hindi naman makita.
It's a fox. Come on.
So,
Come on.
daga.
Where
Fox.
is it?
But paano naman makita? Here, you have to go here inside. You can see them. This one is Ropel Fox. Huh?
It's a Blandford fox.
Blind.
Bland.
A Blandford Fox.
They feed on small mammals, birds, insects, and fruits such as dates and cedar apples when in season. They're so cute. Next one.
Hey, Badger, what does it look like this?
It's like a raccoon.
But where is it? Because it's dark. So it's dark nothing. Porcupine.
It's sleeping.
Indian crested porcupine.
It's there. It's huge.
It's big.
It's huge.
Here.
Mommy. Belle, there's a big porcupine. Where? There. Where is
Hedgehog.
it?
Here.
Where is it? No, where is it?
Diliman eh. Eared hedgehog. But you cannot see again. Where are they?
Oh, look, it's here, Belle. Belle, it's here.
Rodents.
House.
You saw your hands?
Buti wala tayong ganito sa bahay.
I don't see it.
Kundi naghahansit day by.
Malaki yung daga dyan eh. Saan si Spinny Mouse? Ay, hindi rin makita. Ang alam ko, isa lang, daga. They are all daga. Daw, andun si Little Owl. Hindi, tulog si Little Owl. Ang dami nila oh.
Sila po okay lang sila kahit na outdoor, kahit mainit.
Ano ba yung lugar na nagpa sand bath? Nag-imagine siya na lumilipad. Gusto ko nga mo mag-alaga talaga ng ostrich.
This natural?
Ang.
This one?
Oo. Daming, ano to? Onyx, no? Onyx nga. Dami nila. Ang lawak ng space nila ah. Dami nila. Laki ng space nila oh. Pero walang camel. Ito yung mga hayop na nandyan sa loob. Hey, Jonah.
Stop pushing me.
There's lots of chair. Why are you using also?
I got this.
nakangisi habang natulog.
Ito nagpapakuto. Nak, kutukan mo ako.
Piso kada kuto.
This one is sleeping while eating. Wow.
That guy, look at this, smiling when sleeping.
Mom! Tingnan mo sila nakatutulog, oh. Tingnan mo nakakatawa. You're funny. Ayun pati ano?
Kung nasa taas, bangingi sila eh. Ayun, pagod na pagod. Oh.
Don't disturb us. This is our bed.
Siguro nakakantok naman taga yung init.
Look at this. Ang mga chill time.
Saan ba kayo naglasing kagabi?
Let's go. Taste the chill.
Bakit? Why are you...
No, he woke up, he woke up, he woke up. Sup, guy? Wanna be famous?
Why is their butt red?
Because they're a baboon.
Oh. Bruh.
Nakikita sila.
Nakikita nila tayo dito kasi maraming scratches eh.
Ito ang lasing. Saan naglasing kagabi?
There's a grandma.
Kaya sila nandyan siguro sa silong, mainit eh.
Ay, malaglag siya. Eh, hindi pala malaglag kasi nakahawak sa buntot ng isa.
Parang yung dalawang peso nila yan.
Silang tao. Secret. Madriad, secret baboon. Ang init siguro dun sa labas. Yung isa nagmuni-muni.
We just wait.
Gan, he raised us up again.
Huwag kang kumain dito.
He's gonna get jealous.
Kuhain ko na nga to. Sabi ko sa'yo eh. Hihigit ang ulo eh. Ayaw nga
Ano siya? Ay,
Look at the cat.
ay, lalaki pala siya.
He's angry at us. He's angry. Mom, you'll scare him. It's a real life Roblox jump scare.
Jump at me.
I'm not afraid. You are.
Okay, maybe he will come here ba?
Baka mamaya,
Hello. Hello.
Uy! Uy, wala kang toothbrush.
Yellow teeth mo.
Daming langaw, no?
He said, look
Oh,
at that.
tumitingin siya kayo.
Bro, he did this. Wrist us up, dude. Wrist us up. Show us your wrist. Look at that too, guys.
Ang mata niya,
You're
talagang
sad.
bilis mo ganan-ganan ng mata, oh. Ang mata lang yung pinagalaw, no?
Tried to scare him. He's looking at us. Nope. Baby grandpa. Mama, he's gonna jump scare.
Hindi na siya nag...
Oh wow, he's gonna brush his teeth in here.
Hindi na siya umano ulit. Hindi siya nananakot.
Come on, let's go back.
Saan si Wolves?
Bro, there's no alpha. What's your alpha?
Arabian wolf.
Where's it there?
No, they're hiding, I think.
Alpha! 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 Don't wake him up. Sleeping. Alpha! Wake up, Alpha. Alpha,
Init
come scare
eh.
us. Oh, look at that! What? It's right here.
Doon kayo sa malayo, ayun pala may...
Alpha, don't scare us. Don't be like that, Grandma.
Parang silang fox natin.
You have a big tummy, you know? Because you ate.
Mag-lock nga.
Doon siya, oh.
Ang laki niya mo, Dad.
Oh, I feel like that guy's gonna jump scare us.
Hindi katulad sa fox. Arabian leopard.
Yung mga data niya. Parang shape ng post.
It's hot. No, it's hot outside, remember?
Kaya parang
Alone siya.
Next one.
Alone. Jam. Don't keep running, Jam.
Arabian leopard is 20 to 40 kg. What does that? What does that say? Oh, a cheetah is 35 to 65. Bro, girls like baby.
Ganito ang kanilang toilet. Haring araw. Ganito yung entrance nila. Arabian Wildlife. Suzuki.
Museum dito eh. Ate,
Sige.
Natural History Museum.
Para hindi tayo lugi. Hindi lugi sa
20.
20.
Basta alas 5, alas na tayo dito. Work.
Walang problema sa amin ni Jana. Ikaw lang. Dito mga olives. Kaso walang bunga. Hindi yata makabunga. Ayun, may saging sila oh.
Natural History Museum, Daddy. Tapos Wildlife Center and the Children's Farm.
4.
Go.
Picture mo ako mamaya. Grape sides oh.
Picture kita, akin natin.
Grapes. Ganda yung AC nila naka ano. Bango, high-tech. 3. Akasya. May akasya sila. Marami sa Pinas. Salbahe siyang sa akasya sa Pinas. Trade and arrival of foreign plants to the Arab. Wow. Oh. Dulaw. From Philippines. Ano siya? Dulaw to eh. Anong tawag nun? Turmeric. At iba yung pangalan? Mulatos. Turmeric. Luya. Ito.
Ito pala yung sa front.
Para saan yun, Heads?
Di ba yan yung mga herbs ng mga Arabic? Ang pango ah.
Luya. Ginger. Ano yung kutsut? Ginawa na siyang olive. With sunflower.
Bel!
Saan yung mga plant? Lalabas tayo dun? Ha? No, I think
we can go outside.
Pwede kang...
I said, why don't you go
we can go outside. Jump. We're going to outside na sobrang lamig. Pero hindi na masyadong mainit. Carry na. Oh.
Bel! Gana!
Touch ko na. Cold?
Farm pala.
Yung
Hedges Farm, saka museum.
farm or farm?
Museum. Museum muna. Tapos farm kasi. Yung museum ata, indoor. Ang farm ata,
Outdoor.
outdoor.
Hey, there's a bee, Belle. Careful. There's a bee.
That is not eagle.
Ganda nga eh.
It's real plants.
Means you're rich.
Ito nag-daddy picture naman tayo.
Huwag mo yung rich. Ng love life.
No, that's exit. Here. The banana is here. Yan, yan, sa harapan mo.
Library.
Sa harapan mo. Hmm.
That's a lime tree.
Lime ata.
Go near.
Pwede ba, te?
And that is eucalyptus
Oh, naman.
tree.
Pwede ata. Pwede daw.
The white
Touch.
Touch only, ah.
Touch, 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 touch. This is called touch. Touch, 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 touch.
One, two. Hawakan mo na yung lime.
Oh. Jana, that's grapes. Hmm. A grape. There's no fruits. There's a banana.
onion tree.
Yan!
This one?
Mm. Sarja Natural Health.
Baka doon na.
Thank you.
Dito malawak. Pwede nga silang maglaro-laro. Your butterfly.
Tsaka Arabian
Is some
Cotton.
cotton and formalin. Huh?
Diba sa Baluarte,
Hmm.
lahat ng
These are some of the features of the camera. The most strong is which releases water only when it requires liquid energy. Nostrils. A camel's nostrils can close, so it can keep the sand out. Kidneys. They are very efficient at filtering out water. Camel urine can be so concentrated that it becomes a thick soil that we can swallow just as seawater.
Ate, nakapunta ka sa iba mga museum din doon?
Saan?
Sa Expo. Kailan
Oo.
ka?
Ay, naka.
Dami ka? Parang nakapiti ata ko.
Napuno yung passport namin.
Napuno? Lahat ng ano nyo?
Napuno ba yun? Hindi kami nakapunta ng Japan Heights. Mga bato-bato. change sa temperature. Ang bato water, wind, ice. Molten, magma. Magma to. Marami to sa Pilipinas. Yung project nila ni Jana sa grade 2. Grade 3. Ay movie theater din sila. Big Bang. Molten. Evidence for the space. Evidence for the space? Meteors to. Ang laki. Ang laki ng meteors.
This is a meteor.
Meteor, asteroid, comets provide clue. Laki naman ito. Siguro nung
Pwede kaya
bumagsak. Ay, hinawakan nga. Ito is the early Earth. Early Earth. Real bones.
Leg bone? Leg bone?
Huh?
Leg bone. Ng dinosaur.
Bones found in Syria, Egypt. And this is a leg. A leg bones. Laki.
Submarine. No.
A sinking.
Sinking boat yan.
Sunflower. Moringa. Malunggay.
Malunggay.
Matricasa. Is this?
Helping to heal.
Air daw. Bawal daw.
Pwede daw.
Pwede daw?
Pwede naman pala eh. Ha? What do we do? What's this, mommy? We plug in. Plug up fuel. How do I do this?
Da.
How?
Ayaw.
They
Why?
said plug of fuel.
Maybe you'll get electrocuted there. And then what will happen if you plug?
Plug it. Oh, it adds one button. 42. This one. 96. Okay. This is cooking oil. This is coal and hardwood. Petroleum. What about petrol? 0.
Nadia! Tika. Kape.
Bango.
Peppermint.
Coffee. Smells so good. Let me smell this one.
What is this?
What is this? It's mint.
Rose red.
Can I not smell this one? It's coffee. It smells so good.
Healing.
That smells like Nescafe. It smells so good. It smells like henna.
Cotton.
This makes me in love. Plants and people. I want to go.
Plants life.
Dito na dad.
Adaptable plants.
Ben.
What is here? Nothing here. Moving, showing.
Dito. Dito. Dad.
Jam, come here, Jam. Prehistoric plants.
Sun. Oh, mushroom.
Jam, there's a mushrooms. Did I take picture, Jam?
Is that real or fake?
This is fake.
It's fake. Belly, I will just
What a theater. Jurassic World. Wow, ang ganda.
Picture kayo dad. 1, 2, 3. Tapos nung pangit ng ano.
Oh, water lilies. Look at here. Both of Jam. Jam, come here. May elevator pa.
Nakakapagod dito te.
Antorium. Ito naman yung pang ano na mag-graduate. Naranasan mo yung ganyan na pag mag-graduate tuwing closing lagyan ng bulaklak tapos anong tawag nito? Asparagus. Uy, wala to. Ay, hindi ka na umakyat dito. Umakyat ka. Pwede din. Marami yung sa Leyte, ganyan halaman. Ganda tingnan. Relax. The rise of flowers. Oh, flowers. Parachute pala. Parachute. Again. Parachute. Muslim scientist. IBN. Ito yung si IBN Sina. IBN ba't puro IBN? Nakakamag-anak sila?
Ano ba ibig sabihin ng IBN? Parang
IBN Batuta.
Parang ano? Arabic word ata ng doktor.
Scientist siguro. The famous geographer and
Baka scientist.
Pharmacology initiated by Muslim scientists. The impact of Muslim scientists on the agricultural side. Mababaho?
Ito.
Eh, para si Libay.
One of the world's largest flower lily in the world. As well as being one of
Yan,
the
ang
world's
mabango.
smelliest.
Hindi
yan. Mga ano to, weird smell to.
Grabe. Huwag ko nang amuyin. Ito, meron to sa atin. Ito, Hides, meron sa atin.
Yan.
Yan, at saka ito.
I'm 150 centimeters as a tree. So short. You're not even.
Wala dito ang labasan.
Oo nga, balik. Oh, you ride na lang there, Belle. Come on. Go, mama! Go! Ang sarap ng hangin, parang Pilipinas.
Okay, stop! Stop! Stop!
Bakit ang tinis nila?
Come here, goatee. Hey, not my hand, please, please, please.
Then,
They're so tired. And it's hot. Initan sila oh. Ang mga peacock gumagala lang. No, enough na na. They're free today. Bing. Bing. Ikat.
This guy wants.
Oh no.
No more.
That is only press.
I told you.
Manok chicken.
Trying to eat with mom help.
Hey, camel. Hi, camel.
Horse. Where's the horse?
kumuha ka ng ano na, bigyan natin ng
Hindi ko kaya. Ayoko.
Where's your grass jam?
Camel. What happened to your mouth, camel? Oh wow. Oh wow.
Look, they're coming. Dami.